Hello everyone. A very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now students, let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about colors. Students, as you all know, everything around us have colors like sky is blue, grass is green, hairs are black. So now let's learn about colors. R-E-D, red. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. B-L-U-E, blue. Green, green. Orange, orange. Purple, purple. Pink, Pink, pink. WHITE, white. GREY, grey. BLACK, black. Now let's see some examples of color, students. Red, a red rose. Yellow, sunflower is yellow. Orange, orange is a toy. Black crow. White, color of milk is white. Green, a green parrot. Purple cap. Brown bags. Pink dress. Blue, the sky is blue. Now students, let's recite a rhyme. Colors. What is pink? What is pink? A rose is pink. A rose is pink. By a fountain's brink. By a fountain is brink. What is red? What is red? A poppy is red. A poppy is red in its burly bed. In its burly bed. What is blue? What is blue? The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Where the clouds float through. Where the clouds float through. What is white? What is white? A swan is white, sailing in the light. A swan is white, sailing in the light. What is yellow? What is yellow? Pears are yellow. Pears are yellow, rich and ripe and mellow. Rich and ripe and mellow. What is green? A grass is green. What is green? A grass is green with small flowers between. With small flowers between. What is violet? What is violet? Clouds are violet. Clouds are violet. In the summer twilight. In the summer twilight. What is orange? What is orange? Why an orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. Just an orange. Students, I hope you have enjoyed the rhyme. Now, students, let's recite a story, Chamkili's Word of Colors. Once, many years ago, the world was all black and white. Can you imagine? No color at all. Even the flowers were black and white. The butterflies, the sun, the grass, of course. The clouds looked the same because they were white even then. The only thing had color with the rainbow. Everyone waited for the rainbow. Then it rained. People stopped what they were doing. They sat in places where they could watch the sky. When the rainbow appeared, everyone cheered loudly. Chamkili was a little girl who loved colors. She loved seeing the rainbow. Every day she hoped it would rain so that she could see the rainbow. She always counted the colors on the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. In the rainy season, she sat near the window all day. She was afraid if she went in, she would miss the rainbow. There was one problem. Chamkili was a very rude girl. Her parents, who were very nice people, felt very bad. Chamkili was rude to them. She was rude to the neighbors. She was rude to her friends. People tried to be nice to her, but she always rude. One night, Chamkili had a strange dream. She dreamed that a beautiful lady stood before her. The lady was wearing a sari in the colors of the rainbow. Chamkili had never seen anyone more beautiful in her life. She looked at her with wide eyes. The rainbow lady smiled at Chamkili. She told her, "Chamkili, I know you love me, but I am sad." "Why?" asked Chamkili. "You are not nice to people, Chamkili." Chamkili felt very bad. She went the beautiful lady to like her. She said, "I promise I will be nice to everyone now." Chamkili kept her promise. She was nice to everyone. She said thank you and please and sorry and welcome. A strange thing began to happen. Every time she was polite, something black and white got colors. First the leaves, then the sky, the flowers, the sun, the house, the whole world became beautiful. Now, students, I hope you have enjoyed this session. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch. Take care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.